Farming is evolving, and Ecowings is making it smarter and more efficient by providing access to DJI's cutting-edge drone technology. The DJI Agras T50 drone helps farmers monitor crops, detect plant health issues, and apply fertilizers with precision, leading to healthier crops, reduced waste, and increased productivity. Multispectral imaging provides real-time insights into soil and crop conditions, enabling smarter, data-driven decisions for improved yields and sustainability. The DJI Agras T50 ensures precise application of resources, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency in modern farming. Ecowings is connecting farmers with innovative drone technology, transforming agriculture for a more productive and sustainable future. Join us in shaping the future of farming.